How to turn off focus mode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to disable focus mode on your iPhone, simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. And now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the focus option you see there, or it might also say do not disturb, sleep, fitness, work, etc. So tap hold on it, and if a focus mode is on, it will be highlighted. You can simply tap on it once and it will be disabled. As you can see, the focus mode is no longer enabled. The other method to turn off focus mode is on your lock screen. You will see the name of your focus on the lock screen if the focus mode is active. So tap hold on that particular focus label and then select the active focus option you see there and simply tap on the focus option that you want to disable and it will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off focus mode on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.